Do you know real estate professionals call these booby lights? Can you believe it? I have no idea why. Boob lights, as realtors call them, have been traditional for decades, and you'll see them all over your house probably right now. They do have replaceable light bulbs, which some people like. Did you know old light fixtures are going away? You will never have to change light bulbs ever again. LED is the future. Old light bulbs were invented by Thomas Edison, or were they? They are incandescent light bulbs. They generate too much heat and use a lot of electricity. They are outdated. Then we replaced them with CFL, fluorescent light bulbs. They gave off horrible light quality and gave people headaches. Now we have LED light bulbs. They're a huge improvement. They use much less electricity and have good quality of light, very reliable, very long lasting. You don't need to hire an electrician. These are designed for the average do-it-yourself. So typically, if it's a round fixture like this, it doesn't matter on the size, you're gonna have 2 screws to loosen up, break it free from the ceiling. And once you loosen those, the fixture will actually just twist right off. And look at that, it drops right down. Okay, you can dispose of your old light fixture. You'll never need that ugly thing again. The new LED light panels are actually color changing. Everything you need to install the new light fixture is included, including the electrical caps and the mounting plate screws. We're just gonna back out the old one and throw the mounting plate away. The mounting plate is labeled this side facing down. Ow! Okay, that hurt. Okay, next you're going to take out your integrated new light panel. All the light fixtures I've ever seen come with these electrical caps. You can use them the traditional. Some homeowners or first timers don't like them because you have to get the wires just right. And especially here in this application where you're going from braided to solid, you have to be careful you get a good tight connection. These Wago lever lock electrical caps are super easy. You simply open the levers up, and when you put a wire in there and close it down, it clamps it on tight and secure. No hands. Look, Mom, no hands. So with just the first connector on, it holds its own weight. And now you're just gonna, easier than ever, the manufacturers have totally designed this for the do-it-yourselfer. You do not need to hire an electrician whatsoever. We're gonna fold all that back in the box, and this should just be a snap-in system. Up and twist. Look at that. Now this particular manufacturer came from Amazon.com. It says at 4 hours a day, you will have 5 years of life expectancy. I don't know if I believe that. A lot of viewers are saying it's not working out for them. They are saying they put in the new LED integrated light panels and they're dying very quickly. I think part of the problem is they do generate a little bit of heat and they're overheating a lot quicker than the manufacturers thought. Some viewers are expressing frustration without having replaceable parts, but I'm telling you, this choice is being taken away from us. These traditional light fixture bulbs would not even be available in the near future. In fact, if you look already at your home improvement stores, Lowe's, Home Depot, and Menards, all you see is integrated LED light panels for kitchens, bathrooms, exterior, everywhere. It's just LED. Now, don't get me wrong, they do have some amazing advantages. They are ultra low wattage for energy consumption. You're gonna save money on the usage. Super thin and easy to install. In fact, check this out where I install one in less than 1 minute. Check it out, everybody. That is it. That's your integrated LED light panel. Okay, once you ensure that the power is disconnected, you're going to unscrew your old light fixture. Okay, next, you're ready for your new awesome LED light fixture. It starts with the mounting plate. It literally just screws into this mounting plate. So your wires go through the center hole, and you're just gonna turn this until it lines up with the mounting plate. All right, got that one started. Let's see where the second one will line up. It only has a hot and a neutral. There's no ground. So this ground wire actually can just be tucked up out of the way. It is already grounded to the box I saw earlier. Then come in with your electrical nut. When you screw that down, it will bite into that wire. Okay. And we have light. All right, you tell me in the comments down below, do you still have any boob lights hanging in your house right now, or have you replaced them with LED? The ultra thin LED is a modern and sleek look. Some people love it, some people hate it. What do you think? Is it sleek and modern, awesome, or no go? Would you not put this in your house, or would you? If you would, in the video description, there's a link. You can buy this on Amazon right now, and I make a few pennies. Thank you so much.